What up, guys? Demo day today. We're gonna go take out some countertops and try to not break the countertops. They're granite and see if we can do something with it. But first, we gotta go drop off these kids. All right, guys, we're here. We're gonna go in, try to get these countertops off. All right, guys. So this is the demo we're doing today. We're taking these countertops off, and I kind of like the black. I'm thinking maybe try to save it and we can use it, make a backyard like kitchen or something. So we've got a couple pretty little nice pieces, and then we're gonna knock this wall down to countertop level, and then this one's gonna go up to ceiling level in the kitchen. So that's what we're doing today. Let's jump right into it. Aquí traigo. Está pegado todo con epoxy. All right, look, we got glue all down here. And here, it's all just glued down with epoxy. You want to see it? You can see the light where there's no epoxy, so we're gonna try to run the Sawzall in there and cut all that. El sheetrock. Préstame el soso, le corto el soso. Ajá, le voy a cortar para arriba ahí. Quedan dos pedazos grandes.
Muchos güey los pegan con
ahí.
silicón que se te echa.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oh, we needed to go down lower anyway.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spin it in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig hurt, there ain't none.
Call me the Hulk. That's what they call me, bro. Got my green shirt on. You hear me, big dog?
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
All right, guys, we are done. We brought this countertop down to bar height. Got the old granite countertops out, and then we took this ceiling up and put it up. And then when the guys come to do the drywall, they'll put new piece of wood up there and new drywall and all that. So we were just getting it prepped for the countertop, guys. The new quartz is coming in on Wednesday in a couple of days. So yeah, took about 6 hours, and yeah, that was it, guys. Just show you a little bit of demo. Now we're gonna go grab some lunch. Later. We're done heading home and go get some lunch. Thank you guys for watching, as always, for coming along on the job with us, and for hitting that like and subscribe if you like it, guys. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, or if you just want to be mean, put it down in the comments. I'm just kidding. Don't be mean.